Over 93% of traders lose money in the markets, not because of the market, but because of their mindset. Hi, I'm GC Sharma, founder of Ghar Ghar Investor, former head of financial education at the National Stock Exchange. After 3 decades in the markets, I'm here to help you trade with discipline, not emotion. Welcome to Bounce Back Trader, India's free YouTube learning series for traders who want to bounce back with clarity and confidence. Imagine a driver running a car without holding the steering. Where will the car go? Straight into an accident. In the same way, if your emotions, fear, greed, and hope hold the steering wheel in trading, the result will also be a crash. And friends, this is why most traders lose, because their steering is not with logic, but with emotions. To succeed in trading, you must control emotions, otherwise the car will always land in a ditch. Many traders think their biggest enemy is the market, but the real enemy lies within: fear, greed, and hope. Fear makes you miss good trades. Greed makes you overtrade. Hope keeps you stuck in losing positions. These 3 emotions create an invisible cage that traps traders again and again. Have you noticed how when your stock is in loss, you just keep hoping it will rise tomorrow? That's the trap. Behavioral finance research says 70% of financial decisions are driven by emotions. SEBI data indirectly shows that retail traders get stuck in losses because they don't follow discipline. The meaning is simple. Unless you control emotions, trading becomes a gamble. And in a gamble, the house always wins, not the trader. That's why 91% of traders remain in losses. Every trader has 3 big drivers inside. X. 1. Fear. What if I miss? Or what if it falls more? 2. Greed. Just a little more profit. 3. Hope. This candle will go up next. The problem is that when these emotions drive decisions, your analysis and discipline take the back seat. The result: impulsive trades and big losses. Have you ever held a stock longer out of greed only to see your profits vanish? That's an emotional driver at work. Seema, a homemaker, started trading with her savings. A stock kept falling, but she held it out of hope. Tomorrow it will rise. Result: her savings were cut in half. On the other side, Raj, an IT professional, was in profit but held longer out of greed. The stock reversed and profit turned into loss. Aman, a college student, sold a stock too early because he feared it would fall further. The next day it doubled. In all 3 cases, the culprit was emotion, driving their decisions. Friends, removing emotions is not possible. We are human, not robots. But the difference with successful traders is that they identify and control their emotions. Try a simple exercise. Write down your last 3 trades and note which emotion drove your decision: fear, greed, bad greed, or hope. This small self-reflection exercise will show you your real inner driver. And once you recognize your driver, only then can you control it. Always give the steering wheel of trading to logic, not emotions. The foundation of trading is emotional control. Identify which emotion was behind your losses. Make logic your steering wheel, not emotions. Once you know which emotion is driving your decisions, only then can you break free. The next lesson will show how to systematically turn emotions into logic. Remember, the real enemy in trading is not outside, it's inside. You've just completed another lesson of Bounce Back Trader. Remember, trade with discipline, not emotion. Subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts in the comments, and continue your journey in the next video. Let's change that 93% story.